This morning we're gonna make the famous peanut butter bread. Here's the recipe. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/3 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. It's gonna add the flour. Sugar. Baking powder. Salt. Mix it. Add the milk. Add the peanut butter. Mix everything. This bread is ready. It's gonna go in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, so the bread rested for about, I'm gonna say 45 minutes to an hour. This is what it looks like. It looks beautiful. Better than expected, really. Simple recipe. Let's see what it looks like from the bottom. Nice. Real good. So I'm gonna take it out. And we'll see what it looks like. All right. Whoa. That's the bottom of it. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Look at that. That's the bottom. Looks beautiful. See it from the side. Wow, it's a beautiful looking bread. Top. The other side. Whoa, look at that. It's beautiful. And the bottom again. It's just amazing. Now we're gonna slice into it. Yeah, we're gonna slice the bread now. I slice it in half. It didn't crumble too much. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks like. It's nice and fluffy and moist. It feels very moist to the touch. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Here's what a slice looks like. It's very soft to the touch. It crumbles easily, so you have to handle it with care. That's it. Thank you, Mary. I'll do the rest. Now we're gonna put it to the ultimate test. We're gonna try it, see what it tastes like. It's pretty good, to be honest with you. I think what would be really good is Nutella with this. So I'm going to put a little bit of Nutella and see what it tastes like with Nutella on it. It's delicious. The combination. It's delicious, guys. The combination of Nutella, peanut butter bread. It's an unbelievable combination. I highly recommend you do that. Bread by itself is not bad, but with Nutella, it's an amazing bread. It's easy to make. Do it, enjoy it, share it with your family. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.